So today's lesson is going to be 6 major differences between poor people and rich people. Before I get into it, got a couple acronyms for y'all. Some of y'all probably already heard them. And some of y'all might have heard them a little differently, but you pick up what I'm putting down. So poor people are the people that usually pass over opportunities repeatedly or regularly, right? Rich people understand that residual income creates happiness. All right, don't let that go over your head. So, number one, probably the main difference between rich people and poor people. Poor people own big TVs. Rich people own big libraries. Woo, yeah. The shoe fits, it's not my fault. All right, number 2, poor people trade time for money. Rich people trade money for time. Rich people are also paid for the results that they provide, not how much time they put on somebody else's clock. Number 3, man, and this, I could talk about this one probably for hours, and not just about poor people. But poor people always have somebody to blame. Rich people take accountability for their part of whatever situation it is they find themselves in. Number 4, poor people believe in saving money. Rich people believe in investing money. You know, a penny saved, still just a penny. And it could be argued that it's actually, well, not even could be argued, it's actually a fact that in this USD pegged economy, that you save a penny today, tomorrow it's actually less than a penny because of inflation. All right, don't let that go over your head either. Number 5, poor people know it all. Can't tell them shit. So opinionated. Wake up mad, frustrated. Don't even have a clue why. But rich people are usually trying to learn something every day so they can actually become even wealthier. Number 6. We're good with you, fam? All right. So number 6, lottery is played by poor people, while wealthy people, rich people, are actually taking action, busting moves, building the life they dream of. So I'm gonna do the rundown again. Number 1, poor people have big TVs, rich people have big libraries. Number 2, poor people trade time for money, rich people trade money for time. Number 3, poor people blame others, rich people take accountability. Number 4, poor people save, rich people invest. Number 5, poor people know it all, rich people try to learn it all. Number 6, poor people play the lottery while rich people are out busting moves. So, yeah, I know that hurt some feelings. Probably got some nasty comments on the way, but I don't care. And as far as comments go, yeah, leave them in the comment section. Let me know which ones resonated with you. Let me know what you're working on to go from one category to the next, right? Let me know what I might have missed, and let me know if you enjoy this content. All feedback is welcome. I don't get in my feelings about no comments from strangers. Hell, I don't get in my feelings about comments from people I know. And with that said, either your mind will expand to match your money, or your money will just shrink to match your mind. Let's grow, y'all.